Alright folks, quick little reasoning because I have to turn on back my fan before that place I get hot. Alright, long time supporters, people like Mr. Leng, Sylvester and all them people, I'm not even want to start calling them, but all the people I'm going to follow this guy from policing days. Just want a little update for me, you know what I go on, keep on updated. So, first one, how are you? Or how am I? I'm good. Meaning, bills are paid, my belly full, and then I want a comfortable space and my head space. Alright, good. I have to write down these things, people, because I get old and I just want to come here and I blab all over the place. Alright, what have I been up to? New movies and all that. Really and truly, I haven't been up to anything. Really and truly, just a chill. I'm going to explain something to you. Remember, say how far away I come from, for the which part we didn't know. You understand? And my belief is, you see, any kind of work you do, anything we do for pay the bills, feed and take care of anything we do in that space, if it not allow you sometime, at least a year, for just chill and not give up about nothing, I don't think that work that makes sense. You understand? That's just my humble opinion. Because remember, I don't live forever. And I don't want to go down deep into this, but wouldn't know, but we never supposed to be here. You understand? And I like say, two people come together, two people that love each other come together and plan, say, they might bring a kid in the world. No. A hedonistic behavior bring me here. You understand? So, but we can't call it, say, we get forced in the world. So, being that I never asked for the year, I not think the world is supposed to be unnecessarily difficult for me. You understand? So, I just chill right now. And of course, people are reach out to me. We have one man must say I was a big producer or whatnot to reach out to me. But really and truly, I not like how him voice sound. Is it me? Yeah. And that just not gonna work with me. You see what I say? Yeah. Yeah, I have people even mention so they want to move on the Vibes Cartel thing. I mean, I don't jump on that because I not even listen. I hardly even listen to dancehall music. That's not my go-to. Right now, some music I play upon me, something I'm not gonna hear all play. Yeah, so I hardly listen to dancehall. So, yeah, people, everything is good over this side. I'm there here, I chill. And I want to know something. You see life, don't make nobody tell you nothing. You see life I want cruel something. You understand? You have to put yourself first, no matter what. You see me? Because one thing I never gonna make happen, Nobody now gonna use me to make no content and I make money off of me and then later and then discard me. And then I sit down and I say, John no star, if I didn't know this much. No, it never gonna happen. Not after the JCF. You understand? So, yeah, I'm here, I'm good. I soon start film some movies and things, man. But I have to chill right now because remember, man, I'm not there here forever, You understand? And I'm not going to live the entirety of my life just at the things what I don't want to do. You have times where you have to go do things where you don't really want to do. You have to go put yourself in some space. One time I did homeless and I sleep in my car and all them kind of something. You have to understand that. You see me? So right now, I just have to chill. I don't realize that from other day, I just have to tell no thanks. Because the kind of lifestyle now is largely because of owner. You understand? And everything in I mix people. And because I want to tell them this, I have been, what would I call this? I have been dating, I told me say this, So me I get hot and I start sweat. By the way, the hood is still there, but in kind of rest. The scarf business. My young lady flying from England, I'm captured from her. She was here, but I don't know. I take too long to reply to her message or whatnot, and then she called me trash. She sent one emoji and called me trash. I can't forgive for that. You understand me? I can't disrespect me like that unless. Yeah, spend one whole heap of money for me. You see me? I'm not the kind of guy where I expect woman to take care of me, but if you want a woman to feel like you're going to disrespect me in no way, shape or form, your money have to spend. You see me? So if you're not planning to spend, no disrespecting. See? So we don't talk no more just because of that. But I like the scarf, you see me? So I still wear it. As me I said, life I don't want pretty something. You see me? Life I want cruel things. So you have to put yourself first, you have to do things where your future self are gonna thank you for. That's why I do so much filming during the pandemic so I can repurpose things, and now my future self is thanking that past self. And remember one time when they tell me say I'm too soft, me listen to that, you know. So anybody will run out for me, yeah man, me run out back for them. That's why the other day on this, me get so cross when a lady called me about her daughter when me don't know nothing, when me totally not have done, when me don't know about her nothing. Understand me? So yeah, that's the next thing too. If people press Lara button nowadays, yeah man, Lara will get well cross because I find myself in a space where I did want for that a long time ago. And I really and truly been a want nobody try disturb me or take me out of this space. Because I tell you everything, you know. You see, nowadays I meet some woman, they're nice and things, you know, but they don't like what me like. You see, I don't think I can be with one woman who don't like the things that me like. She just have to like the things that me like. It's just not gonna work. Honestly, I don't really have no intentions for like start no family or nothing like that. I don't know why really, but it's just that I don't have that desire there. You understand? So like the whole married and like it just me I give it a chance, but the first thing is the woman just have to like the things that me like. If that not unite, it just not gonna work. Me I say more I go on a video every 7 days, and I don't want to give you guys videos like this. More want to make them entertaining, but I can always keep on posted, keep on updated. Probably the next time I do an updated video, I have to include some creativity in it. Make it something interesting instead of this talking head thing. Because me myself sometimes not even like watch talking head videos. Apart from that, I just there I watch the whole of the madness we are going on in the world. The Olympics, the release of the entertainer from prison, politics watch. What kind of other madness are going on in Iran? I kind of rely upon TikTok and the internet and Twitter and all them things that we keep updated. Because I live on a humble, really and truly, I live on a humble kind of lifestyle. It's not my lifestyle, no extravagant or rich or expensive or nothing like that. And yeah. So big up on yourself always. Thank you again. So I start sweating and things and stuff. I have to turn on but my fan now, so the video have to end. You can shoot some questions in the comment. I always tell you whatever question you have, you can ask me. I can always answer honestly. Laro, I go always be the guy who come on here and give you honesty. I'm not going to pretty up nothing, I'm not going to tell no lie, and you can always rely upon me for that. Before I come and tell no lie, I don't make no content. You understand? I don't upload no video. So, yeah. I remember folks, life is not unicorns and rainbows. Out here is wicked. You understand me? You have to put yourself first. You have to do things where your future self I go thank you for. You see this thing where people are be blindly loyal to people. I tell you, you know. And no, you remember how them used to say YouTube are foolishness and them disrespect the platform and all of that? So me have to make sure say yo, when me I do this content creating thing, you have to allow me to live how me want to live. You understand? You have to allow me to take one that probably call one hiatus or a period of time and I can just sit down and chill and just don't care about anything. A certain majority of people in our world right now would appreciate that kind of time in their life, but they can just sit back and really and truly don't care about anything. All them bills paid, them belly full, and then I want comfortable space where they sleep comfortable, then warm at night time when if they want for warm, or then cool at night time if they want for cool. Remember, none of we no live forever. You understand? And nobody no know what happen when you're dead. You understand? So the know what you have, you make the most of it. You understand me? Yeah. And that is it. That is it. We live in a people. We experience popularity. I mean, we travel. I don't know if I have no photos of when we did travel. This kind of frivolous, but we experience. I'm not even gonna mention that. It's frivolous. I'm not gonna mention it. But we live, we live, we live, man. We live, we live. It's an amazing journey. Um, and we're still there. I'm still there. I've done a bag of chatting now. We update good and now. We know all our things we need to know. And we'll soon in the near future. Later. Turn on back my music. Across the line.